Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2016 Holden Cruze, stock number 6513. This ran from the 3rd 2013 to the 1st 2017. It has an F18D for 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the F18D for 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch 50mm maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch 50mm maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch 50mm maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch 50mm maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,